Hi, this is Ash from Easy Dairy Automation Systems. Each fortnight, we will be uploading training videos and notifying you by email. These videos aim to give you tips and tricks on how to get the most out of Easy Dairy and Easy ID. This week, we're going to cover finding bulls in the NASIS list. We often get calls from people that are having difficulty finding tricky bulls on the NASIS list. What we're going to do is search for two bulls today, the first of which is Walnut Lawn Sunlight. To find this bull, we're going to navigate to the bull screen and select Artificial Bulls. The artificial bulls come from the NASIS list, which is a list of all artificial bulls that have ever been available in Australia. Before a bull can be distributed in Australia, he must be added to this list. Easy Dairy uses this for two reasons. One, to ensure that the correct bull code is used when communicating with other systems. The second reason is for pedigrees and inbreeding. To find the bull, firstly, we have the search in field. By default, Easy Dairy will search in bull name, ID, or comment name. We will leave this as it is and start typing part of the name of our bull, which is Walnut Lawn Sunlight. As we are typing the name, the list is narrowing down. If we hit N, the list becomes quite short and we can see the desired bull. It is best to type less here, as any spelling mistakes will leave us unable to see the bull we are looking for. So with Walnut Lawn Sunlight listed, we'll click on him and select Add to Team. Let's say we had quite a large list of bulls. We can narrow this down further by selecting a breed. If we select Holstein in the dropdown, all of the bulls that are not a Holstein have been removed from the list. The other thing we can do is filter by active status. Each week when the bull list is updated, whether they are currently available or not is changed. So while bulls are available, they are marked as active. Once the semen is no longer available, they become inactive. I can switch to all to look for an older bull. This has given us all of the bulls that have Waln in their name regardless of active status. We can also type any other part of the bull's name to filter the list further. So here we will add a space and enter Sun, which will remove any bull not including Sun in the name. We've now added Walnut Lawn Sunlight to the team, so we can search for a second bull. This bull's name is Dingate Quadrant. In this instance, let's assume that I only know this bull's quadrant. Let's enter QUAD, and quadrant is not on the list. We've selected all in the drop-down, so we can assume that he's not on the list at all. We should now update the NASIS list. This list can be transferred to your Easy Dairy two ways, via the internet or by importing the file manually. To update using the internet, navigate to the data transfer screen using the blue folder button. From here, select Import Bull Data, Update NASIS Bulls, and click Internet. Easy Dairy will then connect to our server and import the file to update your list of bulls. Now that the list is updated, we will go back to our bulls and Dingate Quadrant is now listed. We can also see there are two bulls with the same name. Clicking on this bull will show his details on the right. This bull was born in 2008 and this bull was born in 2018. Most likely the bull we are looking for is the younger of the two. We can also switch back to active only and see that the second bull is not in the active list. So we will add this bull to the team. We don't want to use the display name for this bull, so we'll call him Quadrant and click Save. If we now switch to our bull team list, we'll see that Quadrant and Sunlight are now both on our list. Thank you for watching. Today we've covered searching the artificial bulls list and adding bulls to our team. For other videos on using Easy Dairy and Easy ID, you can browse our YouTube channel or visit our website, which is linked in the description.